welcome back to my channel. So what I have for you guys today is gonna be an unboxing of the James Charles x Morphe palette and his brush set. So I actually got this a few weeks ago, but I haven't had time to sit down and film. So yeah, finally I'm gonna do it, and I'm gonna be swatching a few of the shades. I'm not gonna swatch all of them because there's too many, but yeah, I'm gonna be swatching some shades from the eyeshadow palette, and then I'm gonna be showing you all the brushes that come in the brush set, and I'll explain to you how much everything costs. And so if you want to see that, then just keep on watching. Okay, so we're gonna get started now. Well, this is the eyeshadow palette, pretty big. Then this is the brush set. So we're gonna get started with the brushes. Yeah, the brushes. Well, I guess the order doesn't really matter. I guess I'll pick the order when I edit. So should I read you what it says? It says,
"Hi sisters, James Charles here, and welcome back to my brush collection. It says, brushes are many artists' tools, create a masterpiece. I compared this brush set with my favorite brushes that are vital to each step of the makeup routine. But also included duplicates, oh my god, I can't read. But also included duplicates of my most used eye brushes. This way you have absolutely everything you need for a full collection. And
you can focus on unleashing your inner artist." What the fuck? Okay, I'm sorry, I suck at reading. So this does come with 34 brush set and a sponge and the little container tub thing. So this is how this looks when you open it. Looks like this. I'm gonna put this thing over here, have like a little stand, whatever, and as I open each brush, I'm gonna put it in the bucket. First thing is the Morphe. Don't focus on my face, focus on this. Let's see. Oh, it's not gonna work. Anyways, well, it looks like this. Okay, this is the Morphe beauty sponge, but I actually have never used one of these, so I am excited to use this and see if it's better than my other beauty blender I have. I'm just gonna go down the list because or else it's gonna take forever. We're gonna start with this brush. They're all individually packaged. This is the M439, and then this is supposed to be a buffer brush. I mean, I would use this as to put on foundation if you wanted to. I think that's what he said this one was for. That's brush number one. Then we have the M527. It feels very soft. And then this one is supposed to be a powder brush. That's how that one looks. So this one is the M405, and this is a contour blush brush. That's a mouthful. Okay, this one looks, again, very soft. The next brush is the E4, and that one is an angle contour brush. Again, oh, this one's even softer. I'm excited. The next one is the E48, and then this brush is mini pointed powder brush. This is the M501 brush. It is a pro pointed blender brush. So I actually already have this brush, and you could tell I've used it because look at this one, how flat it is compared to this one. Look at the difference. But I already have this brush, and I use this one to apply my highlighter, which is, it works really good. So I'm excited to have another one. There's so many. I'm gonna definitely give some of these to my sister because I don't think I need this many. This is the M173, and this is a mini buffer brush, probably to blend your concealer or something. I don't know. I'm gonna have to figure out what to use all these brushes for. One is the E62 brush. Oh, this is an angled nose contour brush. So I think he was saying that like this brush is new. I guess Morphe didn't have this one before. So these are the last two ones that are individuals. And then this one is the M158. This would be the brush to do your eyebrows with. The next one that is individual, this is the M410 flat concealer brush. So this is what you will use if you wanted to carve out your brow. Cute. Okay, now onto the other ones. This one comes in a set of 2. I won't open both just because I could give one to my sister. That could be nice. Because I don't think I need this many brushes. Or I could just give her back her old ones that I have. I'll probably do that. This one is the M124 brush, and then this is a firm eyeshadow brush. And again, that came with 2 of those. This one comes with 2. This is the M166, and then this is an oval shadow brush. Okay, this one comes with 3 of the same. Again, I'm not gonna open all of them because I could give one to my sister. And this is an M441 brush, and this is a Pro Firm Blending Crease brush. So this next one comes with 2. And this one is the M431 brush, and this is a Precision Pencil Crease brush. So this one comes with 3. And then this is the M456 Mini Firm Blending brush. Oh, these are so cute. They're super tiny. Comes with 2. This is the M152, and then this is a medium chisel fluff brush. This is a regular brush, and then this is the little one. Look how tiny that is. This one comes with 3. This one is the M433 Pro Firm Blending Bluffer Fluff. Ugh. M433 Pro Firm Blending Fluff Brush. Damn, Morphe, these names are so long. And this one is the M250 Detail Liner Brush. This one is the M224 Oval Camouflage. It's this one. I can't say that damn word. Whatever. Finally, the last 2 brushes. This one is the M506 Tapered Mini Blender Brush. And now that these are mostly out of the package, this is how it looks. I did not open all of them. Like I said, I'm gonna give some to my sister because there's multiple of certain brushes. Like some had 3 of each or 2. But yeah. Okay, so we finished the brush set. Now the eyeshadow palette. The back looks like this, and it says,
Hi sisters, James Charles here, and welcome back to my palette. I love glam, but I also have a huge passion for crazy, colorful, outside of the box makeup, and I created this palette with that in mind. I included every beautifully formulated shade necessary to create literally any look you could possibly imagine. I can't wait to see what you come up with when you unleash your inner artist.
I love this makeup look that he has on the cover, by the way. Let's get to the palette. Comes with the bubble wrap. Ooh, looks so cool. I love that it's all black, and then this is like this, barely shows. Like I said, this thing is huge. Compare this thing to my head, and I have a big head. When you open it, it says here, unleash your inner artist. And then this is how it looks. Sorry about the ring light. Do it slowly. Looks. They're so beautiful. And then it comes with this clear thing, and when you take it off, it has all the names of the eyeshadows, which I kind of don't like it because I would prefer if the eyeshadow name was underneath the actual shade. But and I think I'm going to swatch for sure this one, because I think this one could be used as a highlighter. It's very creamy, and that one is called Face. It looks like this. That one is Face. Now I love purples, so I'm gonna swatch this purple, which is the Artistry one. Just this one. Make sure I don't use the same finger. Looks like this. These shimmers are so pretty. Okay, next I'm gonna swatch the yellow one, and that one is called B. This almost looks very chalky. Kind of looks like chalk. This is not a shimmer, it's a matte. Like that. And this one is B. It's a really nice yellow though. Next, I'm gonna do the Skip and Pinkity Drinkity. These are cute. So does it did these two. This is Pinkity Drinkity and this is Skip. And they look like this. Pinkity Drinkity and Skip. So let me do that one again because that looks terrible. Again, Pinkity Drinkity. It's like a really light pink. The last color I'm gonna swatch is gonna be this pink one, and it's actually this shade Sister. This one. It's a really like pretty pink shimmer. Oh, super creamy. It looks like this. Ignore my other fingers, but my camera wouldn't focus. This is the shade Sisters. Look at that. So pretty. I'm excited to use all of these colors. I feel that if I swatched every single color, I would be here all day, so I'm not gonna do that. What I am gonna do is I'm gonna do a simple makeup look with this palette. That's why, as you could tell, oh see, and my concealer is kind of bad. I don't have mascara on or any eyeshadow because I wanted to do an eyeshadow look with this. Okay, so the total for the brush set and the eyeshadow palette for the jamescharlesxmorphe. Freaking hamster. My niece has a hamster and he's making noise right now. Sorry. So it was $182.33. So I did use a code, and that ended up being the total after I used a code. So what I did is they do have this option. It's called Afterpay. So that's what I did because I did not want to spend that much money at once. So I did 4 payments of $45.58. Not so bad. So yeah, that's what I ended up doing, and I felt like it was a better deal to do the payments than just to do it all at once. But if you have the money and you just want to spend it all at once, then that's up to you. But yeah, Morphe does give you the option to do Afterpay, so that's what I did. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe by clicking the button down below. Let me know if you guys want to see more unboxing videos. I mean, it's gonna cost me some money, but I'll do it. I'll do it just so you guys could see the product and what I think. Comment something below. Let me know what you think. Let me know if I'm crazy for spending my money on this makeup, but I'm excited to have this in my collection and to play around with it, and I will see you next time with a new video. Bye bye.